How some Punjab farmers are creating bioenzymes from quinoa. Around 100 farmers in Punjab, especially in the quinoa belt, have started making bees from this waste fruit, peel and degrade very small quinoas. The start of quinoa season in Punjab also brings with its falling fruit, which is considered a total waste by farmers. But this fallen fruit can prove a boon to improve soil, water, air, depleting groundwater, water contamination, and overall ecology. Not only can plant health be improved, it also helps prevent indiscriminate usage of chemical sprays of fungicides and bacterial diseases on crops, especially vegetables, tuber crops like potatoes and cereals. Farmers can collect these dropped fruits from their quinoa fields and prepare bioenzymes at low cost. Around 100 farmers in Punjab, especially in the quinoa belt, have started making bees from this waste fruit, peel and degrade very small quinoas. What are bioenzymes? Bioenzymes are organic solutions produced through fermentation of organic waste, including various fruits, vegetables, peels, and flowers, by mixing in sugar, jaggery, molasses, and water. It takes 60 to 100 days to ferment organic waste. To fasten the fermentation, yeast can be used as culture to prepare it in 45 to 50 days. Bees also have a lot of usage in our daily lives. Area under fruit crop in Punjab. In Punjab, around 94,000 hectares are under various fruit crops, including around 40,000 hectares, 1 lakh acres, under quinoa orchards in Hoshiarpur, Aborpur, Fajika, Buktasar, Vatinda areas. On an average, 25 to 30 tons of quinoa are produced per hectare, and nearly 10 to 11 lakh tons is the total production of the state. Quinoa is a year-long duration crop, and the main harvesting period is from November end to March, but some varieties of citrus fruits start coming into the market in October. Horticulture department experts say nearly 15 to 20% of the total quinoa production falls from the tree before during the harvesting period. Experts say the fallen fruit is a major challenge for quinoa farmers in the state, as one needs to dig up small pits to bury them. Otherwise, the fallen fruit rot and invite a fly attack of the healthy fruit still on the plants. But now farmers are using this waste quinoa to improve the pH level and soil fertility of their land by making bees from this waste fruit. What farmers say? Farmer Paramjit Jhajeria of Mauzar village of Abhogar Ganganagar Road in Fajika district owns a 17-acre quinoa orchard. He has prepared 20,000 liters of bioenzymes from the fallen quinoa from the last and ongoing season. I am getting an average of 1700 quintal quinoa production from my orchard. Nearly 20% of the crop has dropped, as it is natural phenomenon. Since I am an organic farmer, I collect all dropped fruits of my orchard which were otherwise clean but not fit for consumption. After washing them, I put them in cleaning drums and use the formula given by experts from horticulture department to make bees, he said, adding that he is now using them to improve soil health and spraying on quinoa plants to repel pests. The pH level of soil in the Abhor Fajila belt is around 8.5 to 9% against the normal required around 7%, said Vikram Verma, Horticulture Development Officer, Soil Citrus Estate, Hoshiarpur. Even the canal water has pH levels of up to 9%, due to which productivity is affected badly. But after which, a bees which I mix in irrigation water at the rate of 100 liters of bees per acre, the soil health of my land is improved considerably, said Paramjit, adding that it works wonder on cotton, quinoa and vegetable plants because it is a pest repellent. Every crop has its own fragrance and color which attracts particular types of pests and damage the crop, but when we spray the bees on them, the pests don't come to the plant. Vegetable grower Guruswek Singh of Mal Singhwala village of Mansa district does not own a quinoa orchard but takes care of the 1 acre of field belonging to quinoa grower just to pick the fallen fruit and prepare bees. I don't use any fungicide of my 4-acre vegetable field but only spray bees by mixing 1 liter bees with 50 liters water, which works as pest repellent on my plants and also improve the photosynthesis process of my crop, which prevents chemical usage of my plants and soil. I have saved rupees 3,500 to 4,000 per acre expenditure of chemical fungicides of my vegetable, getting extra benefit of improving soil health by not spraying many chemicals on it. Formula to prepare bees. Paramjit Singh said he purchased 40 plastic drums having 500 liters capacity each, a one-time investment to which he added 99 kg Now 33 kg jaggery and 330 liters water in each and tighten the lid, which lid needs to be loosened up a few seconds every day for 30 days to release the gas due to fermentation process. After 30 days, the lid is opened in the same manner on a gap of 2 days for 2 weeks, and then the drum is kept airtight and opened occasionally. The bioenzymes are finally ready in 3.5 months. We can use it for a whole year in the form of spray on vegetables and mixing it with field irrigation, he added. Official experts speak. Bhipesh Garg, horticulture development officer in the Punjab Horticulture Department, has been motivating farmers to use quinoa fruit to make bees. This is a huge industry available to farmers in Punjab. He further said that he has gotten a lab study done on the effects of citrus bee on crop disease at National Botanical Research Institute, Lucknow, and results are very promising. It showed good results against bacteria diseases like black rot, bacterial canker on crops like cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, kale, turnip, tomato, radish, and oil seeds have showed good results on fungal diseases like collar rot, root rot, damping off, and wire stem on the crops like rice, cereals, potato, tomato, sugar beet, cabbage, soybean, cucumber, and it worked moderately on cotton, melon, onion, banana, soybean against wilt, crown rot like fungal diseases, he added. Bangalore-based bees expert Preeti Rao of the Bees Entrepreneur Academy said, bees have a lot of good microbes, and one of the major methods which helps overall improvement of our ecology and helps in mitigating the imbalance which has occurred due to overuse of chemicals in our soil, air and water. In a state like Punjab where water table is depleting fast and water contamination is also a major issue, bees can bring the soil back to life, which helps in better water recharging and also stop contamination of water by improving the health of soil, she said. Thank you.